Hello guys, in this video I come up with a customer support agent which can handle 80% of your customer support. So let's see. So what it does is it takes an email and not even email, it can be anything like your website, chatbot, your WhatsApp or anything. But in this case we are stick to email. So basically it takes your email, classify it that whether it is handled by a human or it can be handled by this workflow. So mostly around 80% of time the workflow can do the work by its own, but sometimes it needs a human touch. So for that we can assign a person and send them email about uh, those email about those questions which can't be answered by AI completely. But obviously it can reduce your manpower. So after this classification, it goes to this customer support agent and it will handle the rest of the part. But this customer support agent is not an only an AI model like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Anthropic. It is using chat models, but at the same time, it is using your own data too. So it can make personalized answers to your brand, according to your services. And after completing the whole process, either we can then send them a draft email so a person can review it, or if we are confident with the results of AI, we can directly send them this Gmail, and after it stores whole data in Google Sheets. So let's see it in action. So here we can see there is a spreadsheet named customer support. Obviously, I make it for this demonstration. So here we have few queries like time at which time query is initiated, what is the query, what is the response, and from whom we received it. It can be used for management and it can also be used for retrain your retrain the AI for your for your needs. But let me try it. So I'm going to send an email. As you can see, it is blank here. So I'm going to send an email from my phone. Hi, do you support home deliveries? Okay. And I send. And let I reload this. Mm, Yep. So we receive, how do you support home delivery? And let's run our agent. So I will test our workflow and it is start. So let's see, will it give me reply or not? And what reply we will expect from it. So now let's refresh our page and see if we got any email or not. Yeah, we got an email for our query and it is must recorded. Yeah, it recorded in our customer support sheet too. So yeah, this is the customer support agent. It can be used as an email agent too. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you like to dive deep in automation and get some paid automation templates for free, then please join my WhatsApp community. A link given below.